This is Syra. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to hard reset your Tecno W2. For this case, this step I'm going to show you step by step. It's a very quick step and easy way in order you forget your password, PIN, pattern, everything sort of when you can't access your phone. This is the easy way to access it. So for this case, you're going to lose all your data. Everything you have in your phone will be lost and gone forever and ever, amen. For this case, you press the volume up key and the power button at the same time. You long press, you don't just press and go. You long press, then the phone will get notified that you're long pressing it, then it will bring the Tecno logo. If it brings this, the first thing you do when it reaches this step, you move down here, you wipe cache partition. Then after, you're free to go and wipe data and factory reset. Then after you move down, for this case I'm using the power key to accept. You have to do the same. As you see this, I'm doing it step by step. If you see this, delete all user data, then you do the same. For this case, I'm working on a Tecno W2. Now it's deleting everything. If it's deleting everything, it means you have to reboot your system. You reboot system now. Now your phone is factory resetting. As you see now, it's factory resetting, but you have to make sure that you know the Google password, the Google account which is inside the phone. If it finishes, you move step by step. For this case, I may stop here. In case you don't know the Google account in your phone, it's a Tecno W2. Wait for my next video. I'll be showing you how to bypass the Google account. Thanks for watching. If this video has been helpful, please subscribe on my YouTube channel. See you in my next video.